going to unlock a Buick Lucerne 2011 model. Stay to the end of the video for the funny parts. We're going to open this door over here. I found your keys. All right. Yeah, I do that all the time.
Do you need a light?
No. I quit smoking a while back.
Oh.
LOL. Uh-oh, I just said LOL. I must be on my phone too much. I got a flashlight right here. It's also my phone, which I use sometimes. Let me get another tool. Okay, I think I got it. All right, there you go.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Here now, you're funny.
I do make a lot of jokes. Sometimes I'll post YouTube videos if they're funny, but you guys didn't laugh enough, so forget it.
What? No. Oh, about like, are you recording right now?
Yes.
What?
I record all my jobs in case there's any mistakes or any problems.
Dude, that's so cool.
So y'all give me a good review. They'll send you a link in a minute.
Okay.
And save my number for any emergencies. I do everything, and I do towing, all that kind of stuff. Another happy customer.